Yulline, art, Yulline. It surrounds us every minute of the day. And today I'm in Dunedin, Edinburgh, Dunedin, to see some art that will literally surround me because it's an old railway tunnel. This is Tunnel Valacholacain, Colinton Tunnel, Tunnel Valacholacain, and it's fantastic. The tunnel was part of the Balerno railway line, Line Réile Valle Arnoch in Gaelic, which closed in 1967. It opened again in the 1980s as part of a walkway, but over the years the tunnel's appearance put people off using it. And do you know what this tunnel needed? A makeover. Chris Rutherford was the lead artist on the project.
The tunnel was a dank, miserable place before. It was wet, it was threatening, it was very dark and yellow, and it's actually featured in horror novels in the past. And we wanted to make a draw for the area, and it's become that for the whole Water of Leith.
So, who made this?
The tunnel was a blend. We got professional artwork done by both me and professional street artists, but also we worked with 500 school children, so they had hands-on involvement in transforming this area for the community.
Is there a theme to the art as we travel through the tunnel?
When I saw the research that the Colinton Tunnel Committee had done over 2 years, a page in, there was the Robert Louis Stevenson poem, and I just thought it was an absolute no-brainer. He was from the area. He would have travelled on this railway line when it was here and when he was a boy.
The Jala Valle runs the length of the tunnel, and the Bartoch is designed to sound like the noise of a train moving over the tracks of a line réile. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All of the sights of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. And here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. And here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is a green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. Here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. And do you know the best part about reciting the Bartoch in the tunnel? I got a badge.